Now this particular design of running a business is a very common way companies have built themselves. In this particular business, this company takes in raw materials into its receivable sections. These materials go to manufacturing. They then go on to assembly, for example. They're made up and go into dispatch, and then they eventually go to the customer. But the way they've set up their processes, they have an inspection point at the end of each step. Someone actually inspects the manufacturing, someone inspects the assembly. So they do all this work in here, then someone checks that all this work has actually been done. Now, there will be standards and procedures. The guys will work to some sort of design process, some sort of required SOP, standard operating procedure. But no one actually knows if anything that is any good until someone ticks the box to say, yeah, you can now go to the next step. This is a very common design that companies fall into because that's what they were told to do 50 years ago by somebody in a management course. The Japanese or Toyota doesn't do it this way. Toyota does it a different way. My worry is here is if this manufacturing step requires 200 activities or 500 activities to produce the product. I've got 500 possibilities for something to go wrong from human error. If the materials here get through this checkpoint and are sort of borderline, they're close enough, close enough, we'll push it through. Now this close enough gets a problem as it moves through the process. And we'll accept, things we accept that are close enough, in fact, in manufacturing give them serious headaches and cause downtime and waste and perhaps even rework and scrap. So this particular process, very commonly adopted by default in companies.